in need of a nice, strong air purifier for my house, especially when I cook. I hate the smell of the house when I cook, especially like fajitas and steaks and bacon, that type of stuff. So I'm going to build a Rosenthal cube, and all you need is 4 20 by 20 by 1 inch air filters, and they have to be 1900 rating, or I think it's called M1 or MERV 13. I'm sorry, MERV 13. So I was going to build a wooden box around it, but that was just going to be complicated. Well, the reason behind building a wooden box is to reuse the frame. I can just easily remove the filter and shove a new one in as I go down the years. But this should last for a whole year. So it involves a lot of taping. And to assemble this, you want to put all of the filters with the arrows facing inward, because the fan's going to suck all the air in. So to do that, of course, you want to, well, I use the blue tape, the painter's tape, to tape up the 4 pieces first, because I know I was going to mess up. So, using the blue, I can adjust it later on. And then with a cardboard, you cut it out a rectangle, or a square, not a rectangle, a square, to fit the 20 by 20 box, air filter box. And you want to use duct tape. No, you don't. You don't have to use duct tape. I use duct tape because that's all I had at the moment until I ran out, and then I'll use the packing tape. But I didn't see any difference between using duct tape and packing tape. Probably blue tape or painter's tape, because that doesn't really stick and hold on to. So what you want to do is you want to just tape in all the air gaps. So you want all the air to suck through the filter, not through pocket holes where there are air leaks. So that's what you want to do. So now that the bottom's done, I want to cut these little angle parts, triangles, and using a 3-inch square. That was perfect. Just take my little razor blade here and cut the triangles together or out. What's that going to do is I'm going to cover up the edges, the corner edges of the box, because with a box fan, it's more of it has a bevel, right, on the edge. It's not a sharp or a straight edge. So this part here will take care of all the open space where the bevel is. So just using my packing tape, which I thought worked a lot better than the duct tape. And this here is where the fan is actually going to sit, on top of this part here. And here's the fan. So here's a box fan, window fan. I had this since 2007, this box fan here of mine. So because it's really old, it has a lot of holes in it where the feet used to be and handles and whatnot. So I'm just using my packing tape to fill up or cover up all the holes, and then using packing tape to tape the box fan to the air filter box, and then packing up all the the sides, the angle, the edge, whatever, so there's no air leaks. And then on top of the fan, there's also the corner there that I'll be using, or I'll be filling up with the cardboard angle pieces, so that all the air is getting blown out to where the circle part of the grill is, not the outside part. And then this is how it sounds like and looks like at the end on full blast. So it's not that loud, and the suction is there. Again, when I cook, this comes in very handy because it sucks all that stench out of the kitchen. So 22 bucks per air filter. 22 bucks, yeah. So roughly around, I think, 90 bucks. December 2023 price to build this thing, 90 bucks, given that you already have the box fan. So yeah, if you have any air issues at home or in the shed or garage, try building one of these. It's cheaper than buying the very expensive one, like the Austin one. They go for like 900 bucks, where this one goes for 90 bucks. So I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.